The biotechnology sector is on the cusp of transformative changes that promise to redefine healthcare, agriculture, and environmental sustainability. As we look ahead, several bold predictions emerge, each poised to make a significant impact. Here are 10 groundbreaking biotech forecasts that could shape our future. AI-driven drug discovery revolutionizes pharmaceuticals. Artificial intelligence, AI, is set to drastically reduce the time and cost associated with drug discovery. By analyzing vast datasets, AI can identify potential drug candidates and predict their efficacy, streamlining the development process. This shift not only accelerates the availability of new treatments, but also makes personalized medicine more attainable. The integration of AI in pharmaceutical research is expected to lead to safer and more effective therapies for previously untreatable diseases. Archived quantum biotechnology enhances molecular understanding. Quantum technologies are poised to revolutionize our understanding of biological processes at the molecular level. By leveraging the principles of quantum physics, researchers can develop better microscopes and biosensors, simulate complex molecular interactions, and control biochemical reactions with unprecedented precision. This advancement could lead to significant breakthroughs in drug development and synthetic biology. Archive India emerges as a global biotech hub. India's biotechnology sector is experiencing rapid growth, with projections estimating the bioeconomy to reach $150 billion by 2023. Government initiatives, such as the proposed 10,000 crore Catalyst Fund, aim to bolster innovation and infrastructure in the biotech industry. This investment is expected to position India as a leading player in biopharmaceuticals, biosimilars, and bioservices on the global stage. Economic Times: Pharma biosimilars expand access to biopharmaceuticals as patents for several biologic drugs expire. The development of biosimilars, highly similar alternatives to original biologics, is set to increase. This expansion will make life-saving treatments more accessible and affordable, particularly in developing countries. India, with its robust pharmaceutical manufacturing capabilities, is poised to lead in the production and distribution of biosimilars worldwide. Chahal Academy: Integration of Internet-of-BioNano Things, IOBNT, with digital twins. The convergence of IOBNT and digital twin technology is expected to revolutionize biotechnology. By creating precise digital replicas of biological entities, researchers can simulate and analyze complex biological processes in real time. This integration facilitates advanced diagnostics, personalized medicine, and the development of targeted therapies, enhancing the efficiency and effectiveness of biotechnological applications. Archive AI-powered personal medical assistants become mainstream. The advent of AI-driven personal medical assistants is set to transform healthcare delivery. These virtual assistants, equipped with comprehensive knowledge of an individual's medical history and real-time health data, can provide personalized health advice, monitor chronic conditions, and even predict potential health issues before they arise. This technology empowers individuals to take proactive control of their health and reduces the burden on healthcare systems. Business Insider: India CRISPR and gene editing cure genetic diseases. Advancements in gene editing technologies, particularly CRISPR, are moving towards the potential cure of genetic disorders. By precisely editing faulty genes, scientists aim to eradicate diseases at their source. Clinical trials are underway, and successful outcomes could lead to widespread adoption of gene editing therapies, offering hope to millions affected by genetic conditions. Synthetic biology enables sustainable biomanufacturing. Synthetic biology is paving the way for the sustainable production of bio-based materials and chemicals. By engineering organisms to produce desired compounds, industries can reduce reliance on fossil fuels and decrease environmental impact. This approach is expected to revolutionize manufacturing processes across sectors, from textiles to pharmaceuticals. Microbiome engineering transforms health and nutrition. Understanding and manipulating the human microbiome, the trillions of microbes residing in our bodies, holds promise for improving health and nutrition. By engineering these microbial communities, scientists aim to develop treatments for a range of conditions, from digestive disorders to mental health issues, and enhance nutrient absorption and metabolism. Biotech innovations address climate change. Biotechnological advancements are being harnessed to combat climate change. From developing crops that can withstand extreme weather conditions to creating biofuels that reduce greenhouse gas emissions, biotech solutions are integral to environmental sustainability efforts. These innovations not only mitigate the effects of climate change but also promote biodiversity and ecosystem health. These predictions underscore the dynamic and transformative potential of biotechnology in the coming years. As these developments unfold, they promise to enhance human health, drive economic growth, and foster a more sustainable future. Subscribe.